In other news tonight, gas, not a bomb, caused the explosion that killed 3 persons in Taguig City last May 31. The ALG Secretary Maroas announced this after a week of investigation on the killer blast at Unit 501 of 2 Serendra. This report.
In view of all of the foregoing, the blast was consistent of gas explosion, most likely LPG.
This was the findings by the Interagency Task Force after a week of investigation, and the tragic explosion incident happened at Unit 501 of Serendra 2 in Taguig City last Friday that left 3 dead and injured others, including the condo unit occupant identified as Angelito San Juan. Several angles were considered by the task force that may trigger the explosion, but solid pieces of evidence showed that the angle of gas explosion surfaced the most and came from a liquefied petroleum gas.
There was no reported lightning at the time. Liquid hydrocarbons, gasoline, diesel, kerosene, for example, avgas, would require a container. Diba? Hindi naman na magkakaroon ng gasolina dyan o kerosene dyan. May paglalagyan itong mga bagay na ito. Given the magnitude of the explosion, it would have to be a large container para magkaroon ng large volume nitong liquid hydrocarbons na ito. There were no indications of such a container on site. Pangalawa, wala ring record na inakyat mga balde o containers o kung ano man doon sa unit. So, given the foregoing, the explosion is most likely to have been caused by combustion or reaction of chemical substances, mga gas.
From the start of the presentation, bomb explosion angle has been set aside. According to Rojas, they found no bomb residue at Unit 501 of Serendra. The process of determining went through several stages amid the possibility of a bomb explosion. 9 canines found negative result as SOCO, on the other hand, collected 137 swabs from the concrete debris outside and inside Unit 501, and no traces of bomb residue likewise were found. Moreover, no crater was found in the area, which is an indication that no bomb explosion had occurred.
Ayon sa mga eksperto, kung bomba ito, isa sa pinaka-common na feature ng bomba ay merong seat of the explosion. No?
The task force now is concentrating on the timeline and sequence of events as investigation continues. For the People's Television, Alvin Baltasar.